Hello, in this video, we will present a case study on converting hexadecimals to decimals. For a hexadecimal number, hn, hn minus 1, h0, the equivalent decimal value is hn times 16th n plus hn minus 1 times 16th n minus 1 and plus h1 times 16th 1 plus h0 times 16th 0. So this is the polynomial for computing the equivalent decimal value. For example, for this A, B, 8C, so A is 10, B is 11, 8, C is 12, and this is the result. So you can write a program to compute the polynomial to obtain the equivalent decimal value. But a better way is to use the Honus algorithm. So this is more efficient. So you do this, hn times 16 plus hn minus 1, and then the result is times 16, and then plus hn minus 2, and the result times 16. So using this approach, you're going to use less number of multiplications. So here, for this one, you're going to use n multiplications. This is n minus 1. So the total of this is going to be out of n squared number of multiplications. And using the Honus algorithm, you will only use out of n time multiplications. So it's more efficient. So we're going to write this implementation using this decimal value. And for this hex character in this hex string, so the decimal value times 16 plus hex character to decimal for this hex character. So we're doing this for every hex character, and this decimal times 16 plus hex character to decimal. And this is the implementation. So you write the code here is the main function prompts the user to enter the hex value. Now we get all the uppercase from this hex string and invoke hex to decimal. So this is hex to decimal. Here is the decimal begin with value 0, and for every character in hex string. So if this character is A between A and F, or it's between 0 and 9, so we're going to have this decimal value times 16 and plus hex character to decimal for this one hex character getting its decimal value. Now, if you enter incorrect hex number, we're going to return none. So after this, we have the decimal value. So let's look at this. What is the hex character to decimal? So the hex character to decimal is this. If this character is between A and F, so we're going to have 10 plus the ASCII code for this character minus the ASCII code of A. Else, it is the ASCII code of the character minus the ASCII code of the character of 0. That is all. And this is the live example. So let's write the code for this now. It is, so here is hex to uppercase. So this is the one here. We're getting this to upper to, this is the function is upper. And if decimal is, this is, you're getting the decimal. If this is none, so that is incorrect hex number. Otherwise, we get the correct decimal number and we get its equivalent decimal value. For this hex to decimal, so this, if this character is a correct hex digit, so we're going to do this, is convert this hex character to decimal. Here is the hex character. For this function, hex character to decimal, if this character is between A and F, so we're going to have this temp plus the ASCII code for this character minus the ASCII code of A. That is all for this case study on converting hexadecimals to decimal. See you on the next video.